I was kind of feeling low today. Kasi ito yung araw na dumating sila ni Mama dito last year. So sabi ni Abby, tara gumala tayo sa labas. Nandito kami ngayon. Ito na siguro yung pinakamalaking building namin dito sa Madikeri. We are going upstairs. Kasi meron ditong biryani restaurant. So we'll have biryani tonight. Pangpaganda ng mood. I was really feeling low today. Parang nadulungkot ako. Ha? Yeah, 4.
After receiving the masa, we had biryani only, na?
Tama pala, nung pagdating nila yung mama at papa dito guys sa India, nagbiryani kami kasi late lunch na yun. We are reminiscing the memories 1 year ago. This is their menu. Chicken biryani 185, mutton biryani 280.
2 chicken biryani, kebab.
Kebab.
Thank you. Our biryani also arrived. So this is our dinner.
Hot.
Is it hot?
No. Careful, because it's hot.
You want to sit beside Mommy, Mimi? No? My banana leaf is bigger than Daddy's banana leaf.
What?
My leaf is bigger. You want to sit here?
It's okay.
It's okay. Kain tayo, guys. And para
Mama, what you say?
hindi spicy, meron tayong yogurt or curd.
Mama, what you say?
My leaf is bigger than Daddy's.
Try to.
What? Hi, police.
It's been so long I haven't eaten biryani.
Mom, take.
Months maybe.
Take.
Thank you, my love.
Welcome.
Is it spicy?
No.
No. It's okay, baby. You can have this, no? This one, the inside. It's hot for her, huh? Huh? Oh, this one, eat that. It's not very hot anymore. Let's try the kebab. Init. Bagong luto talaga.
What?
It's yummy. We're having lime soda after our food. This is the after. Good morning. Yung aking mag-ama nakapasok na silang pareho. So, ako na naman yung natira dito sa bahay. Ganda lang ng aking almusal. Meron pa akong natirang stuffing doon sa ginawa ko last time na chicken mumu. So, ginisa ko siya. And ito yung kalaman natin sa ating sandwich. So, ito na yung aking breakfast ngayon, guys. Sandwich lang tayo ngayong umaga. Ilang tulog na lang and birthday na ni Mishka. So, I'm going to the market right now. I'm just listing down the things that I will need for her birthday. Meron na akong mga order sa kanya. Yung mga regalo namin ni Abhi sa kanya, in-order na namin online. Konti lang naman yung ihahanda namin sa birthday ni Mishka. Kasi yung invited ko lang naman is yung kaibigan ko dito sa baba, yung Nepali. Tapos yung kapitbahay namin dito na batang lalaki. Yun lang naman. And okay na yun para lang ma-experience ni Mishka ba na mag-invite kami ng ibang tao dito sa bahay. Someday siguro ma-experience din niya yung magkaroon siya ng medyo marami-raming bisita if kasama na namin yung mga pamilya namin, ganun. Pero as of now, simpleng celebration pa din yung aming gagawin for Mishka's birthday. Hindi ko pa din ma-finalize yung birthday ni Mishka kung anong oras namin isa-celebrate yung birthday niya. Kasi sa Sabado, sa araw ng birthday talaga ni Mishka, kailangan mag-duty ng Abhi. Diba sabi ko last time, baka kakailanganin niyang pumunta ng Mangalore. Pero hindi na yun matutuloy guys, yung pagpunta sa Mangalore. Pero dito ngayon sa Madikeri, dahil merong meeting na gaganapin dito na sa Madikeri, hindi na sa Mangalore. So, kailangan ni Abhi na mag-duty Saturday and Sunday. So, sabi niya, titingnan niya kung anong oras siya pwede maging available. So, yun lang kami makakapag-celebrate ng birthday ni Mishka, makakapag-cake cutting siya. So, hindi ko din ma-finalize yung time, kung ano yung sasabihin ko dun sa kaibigan ko sa baba. And then, dito sa kabila, gumawa ako ng ganito. Tapos, nilagay ko lang yung date muna. So, hindi ko pa nalagyan ng time. Ito na yung parang invitation ni Mishka sa kanyang mga kaibigan. So, hindi ko siya ma-finalize kung anong oras namin isa-celebrate yung birthday ni Mishka. Sabi ni Abhi, if hindi talaga siya magiging available ng noon time, siguro sa gabi na, like 5 or 6. You have number 4 foil balloon. How much?
30.
Silang maliit na kilo. We are back and let's just quickly prepare for lunch. Mabuti ngayon kasi merong practice sila ni Mishka ng kanilang dance. Meron silang dance performance. Hindi ko lang alam kung kailan, pero nagpa-practice sila ng kanilang sayaw. So instead na 12:30 yung uwian nila, 1 na yung pick-up time. I still have 1 hour to prepare for lunch. Kailangan mabilisan yung ating paghahanda. Wala akong green peas. So siguro mag-ano na lang ako. Chili, paneer chili.
Look at you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like, the way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. Baby, you're mine. In my life, baby, don't need much.
Success, guys. Nakaluto ako ng aming ulam before yung uwian ni Mishka. Itatago ko lang muna to and I'm not sure if irarap ko pa ba to para sa kanyang birthday o ibibigay ko na lang na ganito. Ang hirap naman i-wrap nito, di ba? Tago muna natin to dun. So, she is answering her assignment today. She needs to draw anything that she likes using white crayon. What are you drawing?
A house.
A house. Good job. Good. Michelle is still sleeping, so I have time to wrap her birthday gifts from Mommy and Daddy. Meron pa ako actually isa pa na parating na order, pero ito yung mga regalo na nabili ko para sa kanya. Nakaapat ako na packing para feel niya na marami siyang gift. Natapos ako nang hindi nagigising si Mishka. Lumabas kami guys para makapag-walking. Yeah? What happened? Huh? It's good without sleepers? And who will bring your sleepers?
Mama.
Gusto niya magpa. Oh, sige, let's go. Let's go. You're funny, Mimi.
I clown.
You're a clown? Bumili din kami ng biscuit. Bibigay namin yung isa dun sa anak ng kaibigan ko. Yung kalaro ni Mishka. Be careful ha, you will step on something. Oh, just wear it now. It's time to answer homework.
Like this?
Letter X yung kanyang homework. Yeah, it's like this but here. Not here, baby. There's gap, okay? X, gap. Okay. X.
X.
Here. Here. X. X. Gap. X.
Like this, Mommy.
Oh, you have two gap, baby. Here.
Mommy?
Here is this one.
Mommy.
You did not count more with gap, Mommy? Do not close.
I don't need rainbow, only yellow because I'm wearing yellow color.
So what do you want?
Yellow.
Where do you put your book? Na brush your teeth na.
Why you don't turkey to do like this?
Finish it up now. What is that?
No necklace.
New necklace. That's Mimi's necklace. What's in there?
Jesus.
Jesus is there. You love Jesus? So we're going to sleep now. Tomorrow is Friday and Mimi's birthday is on
Saturday.
Saturday.
Is that what fits to me?
I know it's fine. It fits you. So, good night everyone. Please.
This is my new necklace. My mommy daddy bought it for me.
Yes.
So we went in the church and my mommy bought it for me. And I asked mommy, I want this necklace. And mom said, Daddy, Han, come here. Mishka wants this necklace. And Daddy said, Han, this necklace is good for Mishka.
Okay. And then we bought it for you.
Yeah, I love Mommy did.
So this is it for today's vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It will help us grow. So please don't forget to subscribe. And see you on our next vlog. Good night.
Good night.